The Canadian Dance Assembly officially launched its I Love Dance, J'aime la danse campaign in late April to promote dance culture in Canada. The campaign was the official kickoff to numerous activities happening across the country at the end of April, ultimately leading up to International Dance Day.
So the campaign is a visibility and awareness campaign for dance. It's to bring dance to the forefront in the lives and the eyes of Canadians, so that it has a voice and that it has presence in our culture, so that when people think of Canada, they also think of dance, and they think about the rich performing arts sector that we have here.
National Ballet of Canada's Guillaume Cote and Toronto councillor Josh Matlow were on hand to reveal the campaign's official manifesto.
Dance is an instinctive human birthright and a lifelong contributor to health and contentment. Dance enlivens the body. Dance engages the mind. Dance inspires the spirit.
La danse est un creuset de diversité sociale, culturelle et physique, car en déjouant la barrière des apparences, elle favorise la cohésion et la reconnaissance mutuelle. La danse, comme forme d'art, exprime les nobles aspirations d'une société, car elle accède et donne accès à ces vérités qui transcendent le pouvoir des mots. La danse est par essence ce qui nous fait nous sentir vivants.